to make Scratch games, well quizzes in particular. So first of all you're going to want to open your browser. I use Google Chrome. Then you're going to want to Google Scratch. I'll put a link in the description. You're going to .mit.edu and then download Scratch. And then obviously choose Mac OS, Windows, or Linux, depending on what you have. Then it will download and just go to install. Okay, so once you have that, open up Scratch, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to variables, make a variable, and if you're going to have more than one question, which you usually do it because you're going to make sure you click for the sprite only, then you want to call it correct to make things a whole lot easier. Okay, you're going to drag this here and this here. Then you're going to want to go to operatives and find on the equal sign, then up to sensing, and find the ask, what's your name, and wait, which will ask the question and the answer. Then you want to go up to control and whatever you want. I'm just going to use when the flag is clicked, or you can use when the space key or whatever key you want is clicked, but I'm just going to use when the flag is clicked. And then you want to find an if, and then the hexagon else. Just going to put that there. And now you're pretty much ready. So you need this thing here at the top, then the ask am I cool, or whatever the question. Then you're going to put the if and then the equal sign and the little hexagon. Answer equals correct, which is the variable we made before, and just gonna put the correct up the very top and put it to whatever you want, like yes, I am cool. So if it is correct, we'll just do a look, and we'll go say yay. Oh, whoops. Yay for 2 seconds. But if it's not right, we'll just say wrong for 2 seconds. And if you want to keep asking the question, you're going to have to go to control and broadcast. You're going to make a new, we'll just call it wrong one. And then you're going to want to put up when I receive wrong one, and duplicate that, right click, duplicate, and put that there, and then duplicate. Look. Just gonna put that all the way, trash that. And then, so you just wanna click on the top one, duplicate, and you get all that. So when I see, so here's how it's gonna work. So the green flag broadcasts, and then it says yes. So am I cool is the question. Then the answer, say for example that's not the answer, say wrong, and it will broadcast wrong, and then this receive wrong one, and then answer the question again. And if it's wrong again, it will broadcast it and it will start again. But if it's right, for example, the answer is yes, it'll say yay. And then if you want to have another question, you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to get another broadcast. If answer is correct, say yay. And broadcast new correct 1 or 2 is the second question. I just want to do that again for this one here. And then you're going to have to go to make another one when I receive. I'm going to change that to correct 2. Ask another question. Make another variable. Oops. Correct 2. Okay. Say something else like what is 1 plus 1? Oh. There we go. And you're going to have to do everything again, so I'm just going to save time and duplicate that. If answer equals correct, I'm just going to move that correct and put in the correct 2, and if it's right, we're going to have to broadcast new call. And that will start the third question, and you do this again. But if it's wrong, just oh yes, and I almost forgot, you need to set the correct for this question. It's a different correct every time. So just going to put the answer as 2. Oh, forgot to stop that. And you don't want those, so you're going to have to make sure these aren't ticked, or else they're going to appear on the screen up there and it will tell you the answer. Okay, and then you're going to need to make another wrong one, so just going to duplicate this. Put it over here. Set. I'm going to broadcast new wrong. Whoops, wrong 2. And receive wrong 2. Set correct 2. Oh, whoops, sorry, you don't duplicate. You got to duplicate this one. Yep. You do not duplicate this one here, you duplicate this one, because then you have to change everything, whereas this one's already done for you. And now let's test it out. Am I cool? Yes. Yay. Oops, that's an error. Well, this one is 2. So we're going to have to go and fix that. So I don't know what went wrong there. We're going to see correct 2. Answer equals correct 2. Oh, whoops, I set the original correct, yes. But we're going to set correct 2. Correct 2. Now it should work. Am I cool? No. see wrong, and then we'll play it again, and the right one, yes. What's one was one? 2. See, we're going to enter 3 now. Say wrong, then we'll replay the question. Now if I enter 2, should say the right thing. And I haven't done any other questions there, so that's it from me, the super cool AJ guy. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment on any videos that you'd like to see me make or any tutorials. Thank you.